Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel where we have another top 3 Solana mints of the week. Well, basically next week, because today is Sunday when this video is going live, but essentially over the next 7 days. Now these are all great projects that I will probably try to mint myself, and this is not sponsored in any way, so I just really believe in these projects. And if you want me to make these kinds of videos every single Sunday where I basically cover the top 3 or top 5 mints of the week, as always, smash that like, subscribe down below, and tell me down in the comment section if there's any really interesting projects I should cover on the channel going forward. Now with that said, let's jump into the first project. This one is called Soldiers, or the Soul Army. You have probably heard about this one because this is a pretty big one on Solana right now. It has 14,000 followers on Twitter, as you can see. Basically, it's a battalion of 9,999 2D and 3D NFT soldiers dropping September 29th. A war has begun, fighting for a cause. Join the Soul Army now. And the really unique thing about this project is that they're launching 10,000 of these NFTs during mint, right? But they are launching 5,000 2D figures and 5,000 3D figures. The 2D figures looks like this, the 3D figures looks like this. Basically, the 2D and 3D versions of this NFT will be separate collections after mints. So on marketplaces like Solana, you will have one collection for the 2Ds and one collection for the 3Ds, but during mint there will only be one mint. So basically you mint and it's 50-50 which one you get, if you get a 2D NFT or 3D NFT. Personally, I don't even know which one will be worth more. I kind of like these 2D ones, but at the same time, obviously these 3D ones are pretty cool too. As far as I'm familiar, the 2D ones will be used in some sort of comic, something like that. The 3D figures will be more of a metaverse NFT. And basically these NFTs are made out of different parts. As you can see right here, there's changeable parts on these NFTs. Now in the future they will have a soldier DAO as well as Battlegrounds NFT trading game, as this video shows right here. You have this trading game, and you even have these like loot boxes or mystery boxes where you can actually get different parts for your NFT, as far as I'm familiar, and you can change like parts of your NFT. Like let's say you get a pair of shoes in this mystery box, you can change the shoes of your NFT. That's pretty unique. I'm not seeing anything like that on any other project, so that's really cool. They have NFT comic books, which I think will be these 2D versions of this NFT. They have merch drops, futurariums, which basically is creating the environment your soldier will exist in, exclusive airdrops, which is always nice of course, play to earn arcade games, and metaverse integration. This project also recently got featured on BitBoy Crypto's channel, obviously one of the biggest channels in the entire crypto space, so that's really cool. All the links to these projects will of course be down in the description as well, so you can check them out yourselves. But basically, key numbers of this project: 14,000 followers on Twitter, and then they have 11,886 members on their Discord. But there's still a couple of days till launch, so this number will probably grow quite a bit before their launch, because it's often like 1 or 2 days before launch that projects really start gaining followers, because that's when people get really interested. And the mint price for this project will be 2 Solanas. Now let's head over to project number 2, which is called Cyberfrogs. It's launching tomorrow on Monday, September 27th. It's 8,888 unique cyberfrogs living on Solana, ready to battle for control over Neo Tokyo. Now this project is kind of a smaller project because they only have 3,437 followers, and their Discord only has 2,580 followers. I would like to see this a bit higher, but I just really like their designs. So here are their designs. I think these look super cool, honestly. So that's why I'm kind of bullish on this. This could be like an undervalued project that could pop off once people actually see it on Salon Art and stuff. And then the mint price for this project is also 2 Solanas. I wish this was a bit lower, like 1 Solana, because they don't have a huge community, so I'm not sure if this will sell out. If this mint was a bit lower, I would for sure mint some of these. But since there's 8,888 NFTs and they only have like 2.5k in Discord and 3.5k on Twitter, I would hesitate a little bit, but definitely want to look out for. And then we have the last project called Infinity Labs. This is also launching tomorrow, Monday 27th. Collection of 8,888 beautiful scenes, 8 different timelines. Collect and merge together timelines to forge new and rarer realities. They are also already in this section of Salon Art at the coming soon section at the bottom, which is always nice because that just confirms that this project will list on Solana right after launch. Now this is basically what the designs look like. I think they look super cool. They're kind of unique, kind of trippy, and it's always super nice to get something different than profile picture NFTs because we just have way too many of the profile picture NFTs. Basically, mint price will be 2.5 Solanas for this project, which I think also could be a bit too high. But basically, they have 6,120 followers on Twitter, and they actually have 13,000 on Discord, which is super nice. So massive community on Discord, of course. And this right here is actually super cool. So what is Scenes of the Solvers? Scenes of the Solvers is a collection of 8,888 NFTs or scenes from every corner of the metaverse, or as they say in the Solana ecosystem, the Solvers. There are 1,111 unique artworks and 8 copies of each to represent 8 different possible timelines. Soon you'll be able to collect and merge together scenes and timelines to forge new and rarer realities, until there exists a single 1,111 piece timeline as determined by you, the community. This means that eventually the collection will contain only 1,111 fully realized NFTs. So that's really cool. So this is basically a deflationary NFT because at the end of the day, you merge these different NFTs, which lowers the supply and makes the NFTs rarer. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, smash that like and subscribe down below. And with that said, have a great day and I will see you guys later. Peace.